In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to enable dark mode on YouTube desktop. This significantly reduces eye strain by decreasing screen brightness, making it easier to watch videos in low light conditions. To do this, simply head to YouTube. As you can see, my YouTube homepage screen is in light mode. So to turn to dark mode, simply tap onto your profile icon, which is on your upper right corner of the screen. You will then navigate onto the option of appearance. Just click on dark theme. Your YouTube homepage will automatically change to dark mode. This helps reduce glare, which can be particularly beneficial during extended viewing sessions, enhancing overall user comfort and experience. That's how easy it is to enable dark mode light mode system on YouTube desktop. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.